Hello everyone, welcome to Move Well, Live Well. We've been getting a number of people coming in here with issues regarding their ankle and their foot. And what we're seeing is that they're having, when they walk or when they run or when they bike, anytime they're moving their foot, they get this kind of this catch feel, sometimes pain. And then even the foot, what happens is the foot starts getting a little bit of pain and stuff in through there too. It's just like, it just feels like it's stuck or kind of jammed, if you will. They have complaints of, hey, you know what? I was running yesterday, I was walking yesterday, and it just feels jammed up in the ankle, and it's starting to get pain into the foot. So what we're finding with these folks is what's happening is that the talus is there's a little bit of stickiness between the talus and the fibula and the tibia. So imagine this, if my hand was a foot and then I have the tibia and fibula coming down on that sucker like this, and then what's happening at that gliding surfaces between the talus and the tibia and fibula no longer glide very well, and it feels jammed up and it gets stuck. So in just a second here, I'm going to show you, I'm going to set this up and I'm going to show you a thing that you can do to help get that unstuck. So what's happening is that talus is jammed up into the tibia and fibula in there, and it's not moving correctly. So this is one easy way, thing that you can do to help distract that and decrease that restriction in there, so that way those gliding surfaces can now meet and you have a better gliding surfaces for those bones to articulate into that joint. So here in just a second, we're going to go into it, and we'll see you here in a second. And we're back. So as you can see, I've taken, this is a Voodoo floss band. So you can get one of these on Amazon. There's different grades to it. Make sure you buy one that is the thicker grade to get a good distraction out of here. But what I've done, as you can see, I've affixed one side of the Voodoo band around a pole. You can do this probably maybe even in a door jamb or that type of thing, as long as it's a sturdy something to hold on to. And as you can see, I've wrapped this around here, around my ankle. You can kind of see that. I've wrapped this around my ankle, and that's nice and tight and through there. So what I'm doing here now is I'm going to go to a little bit of distraction here with the ankle. So now I can feel my ankle distract in there. I can feel this joint open up. And that's what we're seeing with these folks, is they're getting a jamming feeling, tightness in through their ankle, simply because the talus is jammed up into the tibia and fibula bones. And so what we're doing here is we're creating a distraction, opening up of that joint. So here I am, and you do this based on your tolerance. So you can get a nice distraction in here through your ankle. And now you can add a little bit of ABC. So A, you can do ABC stretches, ABC motion. So that's A, B, C, D, E. So go through these motions all the way down to Z, and you can feel that gap. And sometimes you may even hear a little pop in the ankle. That's an indication that that talus is no longer jammed up into the tibia and fibula in there. So keep doing this. Do this 3 to 5 minutes. Sometimes it can take longer. It can take sometimes a couple of treatments to actually get that loosened up into there. But once that gets unjammed, then your ankle is free to move the way it should move, and then when you walk and run, you won't have any more problems or anything like that. So if you have any questions with this, feel free to drop them off in the comment section below. We thank you for watching. We appreciate it. Please like, subscribe, and share. And when you hit subscribe, make sure you hit that bell notifications button so that way you don't miss any videos coming here in the near future. We appreciate you watching, and we thank you. We'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.